Hello students, welcome to Nishad physics class. This class is up to the 9th standard, but this class I am taking for National Talent Search Examination and Physics Olympiads. If you are going to appear in any secondary school up to the 10th class competitive examination. So just see this question. A bullet of mass 60 gram moving with the velocity of 500 meter per second is brought to rest in 0.01 second. Its impulse will be 40 Newton minus 30 Newton second minus 20 Newton second, and D option plus 30 Newton second. Here maximum students, they are not aware about the impulse because this concept is hardly used in the syllabus of class 9th, but this type of question is asked in the Olympiad of Physics and also National Talent Search Examination and many competitive examination based on the science. Okay. So first it is better to introduce a concept of impulse. Before going to impulse, here I am writing impulsive force. First I am writing impulsive force. Impulsive force. Although I am giving a very brief introduction of that, because here I am available for the solve only this multiple choice numerical. Impulsive force, a sudden force. A sudden force. A sudden intensive force. Intensive force. This is impulsive force. Suppose that you have a nail and just to blow your hammer to put the nail in the wall. So that hammer, just blow hammer with the high intensive force to set the nail inside the wall. So this is the impulsive force. You are in a car and just car passing through a pit, then what will happen? You feel a jerk, and this jerk is impulsive force. But when you want to find out impulse, so then what is the impulse? It is force into time. Force into time means that magnitude of the force and how long force existed. कितनी देर तक फोर्स था, फोर्स के मैग्नीट्यूड को और फोर्स कितने देर तक था मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमें मिलता है इंपल्स. और डेफिनेटली ये फोर्स एंड ये टाइम, सो ऐसा यूनिट न्यूटन सेकेंड. सो ऐसा यूनिट न्यूटन सेकेंड. बट फॉर द इंपल्स one more formula is used. You can use impulse equal to also mv and minus mu. So now students, we have two formula for the impulse, force into time and mv minus mu. So here that change in the momentum also written as kg meter per second. So it is very clear that two units of impulse, Newton second and kg meter per second, but generally Newton second is used for the impulse. Now here three options: 40 Newton minus 30 Newton second minus 20 Newton second and plus 30 Newton second. By the elimination method, it is not possible. Why not possible? Because the unit of the impulse is Newton second, and here in only three we have Newton per second, Newton second, and A has not Newton second, it has a Newton, so first A is not possible at all. So we have three options. Here time is given. Here now I am going to the solution of the question. It was the explanation about the impulse, a brief introduction about the impulse, but here solution of the question. See this, 60 gram, m is equal to 60 gram, must convert into the SI unit. तो 60 and divided by 1000 and this is kg, this one and 3 and this is 50. So that is 3 by 50 kg. This is the mass of the bullet, and moving with the velocity 500 meter per second, and you know that symbol u is used for the initial velocity, so this is 500 meter per second, and that is the stop in the 0.01 second, so that v is equal to 0 and time is equal to 0.01 second. Okay students, now here see one thing, that in this question no need of time at all, because with the help of mv minus mu you can find out impulse. So what is the need of time? So no discussion about the time and no use of time here. Okay, it is in the question just to change the mind of the students. Students ये सोचे कि भाई टाइम का हम क्या करें, to create a confusion, because for the 9th it is the extended questions. Now students, impulse for the I, mv minus mu, take m common, v minus u, m 3 upon 50 kg, v 0, u minus 500. So 350. Okay. Up to the. Okay, I am writing here again. I am writing here again. Because this is not visible. So here I equal to mv minus mu, and take m common, then v minus u, okay, and then m 3 upon 50 and 0 minus 500, okay. Then 3 upon 50 and minus 500, 0, 0, 10, and that minus 30 Newton second, and here option is smiling because you get minus 30 Newton second, so option is B. But suppose that a question comes, I am talking more than that, what is the force? So if it is asked force, in this question force is not required, but what is the force? Then time is required. So now use here impulse equal to force into time. Force into time, impulse minus 30. Force you have to find out, and time is given 0.01 second. So this is 0.01. So with the help of time you can find out impulse. No, impulse, that is force. So minus 30 upon 0.01 is equal to F, minus 30 into 100 upon 1, so minus 3000 Newton, and this is the force. So time will help to find out force, but impulse we can find out without time. Hope आप इस क्वेश्चन को समझ गए होंगे, ठीक है, और इंशाल्लाह that I will be available maybe in 2 and 3 videos, I will, or maybe 2 videos every week for the Olympiad and NTSC National Talent Search Examination. Okay, thank you very much.